Hi everyone, this is Terry from terryscraftroom.com, and today we're going to make some pretty flowers. And I've got all these. I kind of went on a flower making binge the other day, and so here are some of the flowers that I've made. And so I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful little flowers. All you need are two different kinds of let's set these aside here, two different sizes of flower punch. Now, I've been asked, will a daisy punch do? It's not the best. You want a flower punch with a wider petal. So, what I'm using is this pansy punch for my bigger flower, and this small bloom punch for my smaller flower. Now the pansy punch is a retired punch from Stampin' Up, and this small bloom punch will be in the new annual catalog coming out in June of 2020. So you need to make, excuse me while I put those away, so you need to punch out 3 of each size. So here I have, let me get those out of the way. Here I have my 3 big ones and my 3 little ones. And what we need to do, let me get my paper towels, is we need to take our 3, and I'm actually going to do a 4th big one because I have an odd number up here, and we are going to squirt them with water. Just like that. Once you've got them wet, you can see they're nice and shiny. Then all you do is you scrunch them up. Just like that. So we're going to scrunch these up, and then you let them dry. And it's not just a folding, it's just a scrunching. Just like so. And then we let these dry. And through the magic of video, set those aside, I have 3 large ones and 3 small ones already dry and ready to go. Now all we do is we get our glue and we start layering them. So I'm just going to put a little bit of dab of glue on the bottom here of one of them. And when I layer them, I like to offset my petals. So I don't line my petals up with each other, I offset them. And I'm going to use my pick-me-up tool with the top on and just kind of push them together to get that glue setting together. And then I'm going to glue my second one on. And this one I'm going to offset as well. And set that in there. And you can kind of fluff it as you go along around your pick-me-up tool. And then now we're going to start with our little flowers. And so I'm going to use my pick-me-up tool again, but I'm going to use the stylus end of it to get it where I want it to go. And then glue. And then glue. And then make sure that your petals are offset each time you put a layer in. And then just kind of fluff it around your stylus, including the middle one. There we go. Then what I'm going to do to finish it off and make it a really pretty flower is I'm going to put a little bit of glue right in the middle. And I'm going to take one of my flat back pearls, and I have one that's already colored here. And I'm going to put that right in the middle here. And even though these flat back pearls have adhesive on the backs of them, since everything is all scrunchy inside there, I put the glue in there just to give it a little bit more adhesion. And there you have a quick, simple, beautiful flower. Y'all have a nice day, and hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out terryscraftroom.com for more inspiration. Have a wonderful day. Bye.